चोपड़ा को अगर आप गूगल करें तो काफ़ी कुछ सर्च के रिजल्ट्स में आता है, जैसे प्रियंका चोपड़ा बॉन्स विद ग्रैमी अवार्ड अशांति, प्रियंका चोपड़ा की नोट स्पीकर एट SAMMA, प्रियंका चोपड़ा मोस्ट डेंजरस सेलिब्रिटी, देन एक्सोटिक हिट्स हाई नोट, प्रियंका चोपड़ा इंडियाज मोस्ट पावरफुल। तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा आपके सर्च रिजल्ट्स में फॉर अ चेंज कोई एक तो एटलीस्ट ऐसी सेलिब्रिटी है जो कंट्रोवर्शियल न्यूज़ नहीं निकलती है।
Don't speak too
So it's
soon.
all-
Please don't speak too soon.
Why?
I am happy to be known by my work. And जैसे ही मेरे साथ ऐसा एक फेज आता है जहाँ लोग कुछ नहीं बोल रहे होते, कट टू
कुछ आ जाता है तो मतलब ये
ये मुझे
कंसेंसिटी।
एंजॉय करने दो प्लीज। ये ना कुछ दिन की चांदनी है,
हाँ।
ये भी जल्दी जाए।
So how do you manage to fit all of this in just 24 hours? You're like traveling from US to other countries, back to India, promotions, Krish 3 is coming up. So how are you managing all this just in 24 hours?
You don't sleep much. I live on a plane. I go to, because of my album, I keep going to LA every month.
Yeah.
And so going to the US every month for 5 days is really exhausting. So when people complain of jet lag and that they're tired, I want to slap.
मैं तो जेट लैग में ही रह रही हूँ, ऐसे लगता
मेरा
है।
jet lag I don't jet lag only. I
अच्छा
just
तो
don't
जेट लैग अब फेज हो चुका है कि you are
Immune हो
living,
गई
हाँ
हूँ jet
इम्यून हो
lag से,
गया।
कि
हाँ।
jet lag क्या होता है? Because now for 2 years I've been doing it, you know, handling 2 careers. But it's my choice. I don't
Yeah.
own planes. I can very easily put one on hold to do the other.
Yeah. Come back to your films. Krish 3, 1st November, it's releasing. How excited you are because a totally different kind of film जो actually लोग बोलते रहते हैं हट की फिल्म है, but ये actually हट की फिल्म है।
You know, Krish 3 is a franchise now जो जिससे हम familiar हैं as an audience. ये तीसरी है इस trilogy का, it's a 3rd installment. And first 2 were really loved. और इस फिल्म में कोई मिल गया और कृष को मिक्स कर दिया जाए तो ये फिल्म आई। इसमें रोहित भी है, इसमें कृष्णा भी है, इसमें मैं भी हूँ। And of course it's good versus evil.
Yeah.
So there is the new characters of Vivek and the army of mutants that Vivek is a evil scientist. तो वो एक मानवर बनाता है, मानव और जानवर को मिक्स करके।
बट कोई ऐसा सुपर पावर है जो फिल्म के प्रोसेस में हम देखेंगे शायद प्रियंका भी पास ऑन हो जाए, कोई एक सुपर पावर?
My character is the only one which doesn't have action, which doesn't have superpowers. But I start the film off being married.
Yeah.
We are the good and we are married and we're a happy family.
Happily living it.
You know, father-in-law, husband, me, we're happy. And then evil of course comes into my life. And through the film, I end up becoming a double role. So I exist as good and I exist as evil.
Okay.
Then, what is interesting about my character, which makes it really pivotal, is I have something, and I can't tell you what it is, which Carl wants, who's the super nemesis to Krish, who's a superhero. So he's after me to find me, to get me.
तो आके
Sends
पीछे
his
पड़ा हुआ है,
army
हाँ।
after me. Now Krish, while saving the world, has to save me also. Basically, फिल्म का नाम प्रिया होना चाहिए था.
Too much of work for Krish.
Of course, he's a superhero. हमें भी तो बचाने के लिए कुछ
बिल्कुल
चाहिए.
बिल्कुल। अब प्रिया को बचाने के लिए तो of course Krish
Of
तो
course.
कब काम में आएगा Krish?
हस्बैंड का क्या फायदा?
प्रिया के पास अगर चलो एक सुपर पावर होता तो वो क्या होता? अगर आपके पास एक चॉइस होता कि सुपर पावर
मेरी बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है. I would want telekinesis, जो actually काल के पास है, कि वो अपनी उंगली उठा के कुछ भी अपने पास ला सकता है, हिला सकता है. तो मैं रिमोट को अपने पास लाती, बेड पे बैठे अच्छा रिमोट आ जाए मेरे पास, कॉफी का कप उधर पड़ा इधर आ जाए, न्यूज़पेपर इधर आ जाए, lovely, but मूव कर दूँ. So that's a cool power.
हाँ.
Time travel, go back and forth in time.
Which is that one time where you would want to go into era or a
I'd
period?
like to go to the future.
Okay.
Past तो हो गया ना, क्या है? And there's nothing.
So what do you want to
change.
see exactly in future? लोग जरा future देखने से थोड़ा कतराते हैं कि क्या होगा, अच्छा होगा, नहीं होगा.
I'd rather go to the future, see कि भैया अच्छा ये होने वाला है.
Prepare
Take the right
yourself.
choices. Better to be prepared.
So you know, क्रिश के बारे में हम इतनी सारी चीज़ें सुनते रहते हैं. आपने पढ़ी होंगी कि टैबलॉइड्स में कि आपकी और कंगना की जो प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं, that's why the whole cast is also not coming together. तो इतनी जब आप ग्रैंड फिल्म बनाते हैं, you put in so much of effort, and when you read such trivial issues, actually, if I can say so, how do you react to such things?
Why aren't people saying that Hrithik and Vivek are having issues? Why are women, the actresses, reduced to so small? कि मतलब
fight.
इनका तो और कुछ जरूरी होता ही नहीं होगा इस फिल्म में. They have the only important thing they have is fight among each other. I have in fact, it's really strange. I had a journalist come and tell me कि प्रियंका कुछ interesting बात बताओ ना. So I said, what do you mean? He said, देखो, if you all don't tell us, we'll have to make it up. So you might as well tell us
On your face.
on my face.
I can't believe. Sorry, but I'm a journalist, but I can't believe.
On my face. If you don't tell us, we'll have to make it up. Make it up also. So anyone can go say anything to media, and they write it. In fact, you know, Kangana's role, all the heroines said no to this
Yeah,
role,
yeah.
including Kangana.
Yeah, I
first.
had interviewed her. She told me that. Yeah.
Everybody said no to this part. Why? Because Priyanka's the heroine of the film. Yeah, I'm married to the guy, and yeah, I'm the wife. But that part is so interesting. You know, girls don't realize. I've been fortunate that मैंने Dawn, Drona ऐसे फिल्में किए जहाँ I can do action now with Mary Com. Where do you get to do action as a girl in Hindi films? It's such an
Absolutely.
interesting part for her. And thankfully, Kangana is the kind of actor who takes chances.
Yeah,
you know?
she takes risks.
She's a risk taker, and I love that about her. And she did this part. She had the vision to do it.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you're talking about Mary Com also. You think for you personally as an actor, you're getting more roles. You know, you're doing a biopic also, and then Gunde bhi hai. बहुत अलग किस्म की फिल्म है. Not the commercial cinema जो आजकल South remakes जो होती हैं.
I think it takes time over a career to build credibility. And I'm fortunate that I've reached a point where I have it.
Yeah.
Where, you know, scripts are written for me. People come to me and, you know, parts are written for me. Doesn't really happen with females. And for me, I don't want to be a star. I don't want to be an actor. I want to be a game changer. I want somebody who, you know, blazes their own trail. When I joined movies, I didn't know anything about films. किसी ने मुझे बताया नहीं था या सिखाया नहीं था कि हिंदी फिल्म में रोल को ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, ऐसी बातें बोलनी चाहिए. जो भी मैंने किया अपने हिसाब से किया. कभी सही होता है, कभी गलत होता है. अभी मैं म्यूजिक कर रही हूँ. I'm an established actor here. I'm a newcomer in music. But why did I decide to do it? I want to do something different. When I did Barfi, everybody told me your glamorous image will die.
Absolutely.
Why are you doing it?
And also at the end of the day, audience accepts you like that also. I mean, they applaud you for the work, the
Sometimes
kind
they
of
do,
work.
sometimes they don't. You know, it's a chance you have to take. I can stick to safe and do the big banner films, the big heroes, and the big quintessential remakes.
Yeah.
I can do that also. Of course, that comes to me. But I do that and I do this.
Yeah.
And that's the career I want to make for myself.
Absolutely. And the next which we see you on big screen is Ram Leela.
Yes.
The
song
special
number.
song, yeah, special number. So first when I think Babli Badmash जब आई थी तब आप बहुत careful थी कि special songs में lyrics कैसे होने चाहिए क्या नहीं होने चाहिए. तो you still go through all
Actually,
of
that
that.
was also again media created to a certain extent. As an actor, we have very little control. As a female actor, at
Yeah.
least, I can't go and tell the director change your lyrics. How can you do that? I can sit down and talk and say, you know, maybe we shouldn't do this or whatever. But I can't like beyond the point do something
lyrics
like that.
बदल दो आप. हाँ.
कि आप भाई कास्टिंग में ना उसको निकाल के इसको लगा ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. It's a collaborative effort. So with Bubbly also, yes, you're right in one point that there was another song which I did not want to do because I felt it was at that point it was not the right kind of song to do. Things were blown up too much. Bollywood was being blamed.
Yeah.
Which is it's for rapes, which is completely not our fault. A woman doesn't get raped because a man is watching a Hindi film. She gets raped because someone raped her. It's simple as that. But I did decide not to do another song, which eventually was in the film, because at that point it wouldn't have made sense. But this song is the title song of the film. It's called it's the synopsis of the film in a way, the philosophy of the film. राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम. अरे यार प्यार
It's a very catchy number.
I love that song.
Yeah.
So when I heard the song, there were two choices, and Sanjay sir made me hear both. I like the other one also. I like this one also, and I told him, "Make whatever you decide, because I can't decide." But this was a beautiful song. I was anyway doing a film for him, Mary Com, and I'm a huge Sanjay Bansali fan.
Getting into the role of Mary Com, she's a Northeastern. Her looks are different. How difficult was it? We've seen, I think, 3-4 snaps of yours getting.
It was all rubbish. It was, you do a lot of tests when you are reaching a point of what the film will be. Eventually, what it will be, you'll see. But that was very hard for me. The hugest challenge is, yes, she's Northeastern and I'm North Indian. And but more than my looks, I want the essence of Mary Com in this film to come out. I want to. Farhan is not a Sardar, he's Parsi. He played a Sardar.
Yeah.
But it's about the essence of the character that you have to bring out. For me, I don't want to tell the story of that Mary who's on the cover of every magazine, who holds medals. The story of that Mary and the fear she feels before she goes to every game. What all did she have to do? उसकी मेहनत, उसकी मुशक्क़तें, उसको पहुंचने के लिए यहाँ पर क्या-क्या करना पड़ा?
Before Marycom, there's Gunde, 14th of Feb. So you're giving a treat to all your fans on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
A very different kind of love.
It's a very different love angle, that's true. It's a period film in the 80s. I play cabaret dancer in the movie with a lot of shades. And it's the three of us, Arjun, Ranveer and me. And it's a kick-ass movie. I'm very excited about it.
Has the schedule been done? Because Ranveer was...
Yeah, we have one more song. He got Dengue.
Yeah, Dengue, exactly.
You know, his fever had started when we were shooting in Durgapur, and I used to make so much fun of him. क्या है? तुम तो लड़के हो. Boys should man up. What is this? बारिश होगी, नाजुक हो, नवाब हो.
बीमार पड़ गए.
And he had dengue. I felt so guilty, I cannot tell you.
With Krish 3, what are your expectations? Everybody, personally as an actor, everybody sees and wants to see their film, you know, grow bigger and bigger. With Krish 3, what are your expectations?
Well, of course, I hope it'll do really, really well. We are releasing on November 1st, which is Diwali also. We have a long slate of holidays, no other film. So I'm hoping that it'll do really, really well. It's a very special film to me. I've been part of two out of three of the franchises, and I think it'll be very, very exciting. As a team, we are very excited.
On that note, thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.